Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the 7th tutorial in this course, and in this tutorial we'll be checking out the bold, italic and underline tags in HTML. And as you can see, I have a file opened in my text editor Notepad++. I've given it the name tutorial-7.html, and on line 1 in this file I have the doc type declaration, and then between the HTML tags I have the head section in which I have the title of my web page, which is the bold, italic and underline tags, and in the body section I have 3 paragraphs, and the first paragraph has the text, this will be in bold. The second paragraph has the text, this will be in italic. The third paragraph will have the text, this will be underlined, right? So there are 3 paragraphs, and let me show you guys how this page looks when I open it in Google Chrome. So this is how it looks, and it's very obvious that the style in which the text is presented in each paragraph is different, right? So the first paragraph has text all in bold, the second one has text in italic, and the third one has text in in the underline mode. And the way you achieve this is very simple. I'll show you my file now, and to have text in bold you have to use the B tag, right? That's what it's called. Some people call it the bold tag, but you just have to put in the alphabet B. Just as you use the alphabet P for paragraph, you use the alphabet B for bold. So you have the opening B tag and the closing B tag between the opening and closing P tags, and this will give you the bold effect. To have the italic effect you have to use the alphabet I, so it's the I tag, and then to have the effect, the underlined effect, you have to use the alphabet U, right? So after the paragraph tag you have the opening underline tag, and then you have the closing underline tag and the closing paragraph tag. So remember that the sequence has to be opposite. So you have P as the opening tag here and U as the second tag, so you have to close it in the reverse way. You have to first have the closing U tag and then the closing P tag, right? So that's it for this tutorial, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial, in which we'll discuss some more HTML, more tags, more features, and I hope you guys had fun watching this tutorial, and you may subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you soon.